Hello everybody, it's Philip with ASDI 1406 and this is our week 4 project. I decided to go a little bit different this time and make a manga reader. This is a project called A-Read. We'll go ahead and log in. The very first thing that it does is it goes out and it fetches the API and then it parses up all the custom items. Once the custom items are loaded up, we get a list of all the manga, and we get the title as well as the last date that it was updated. If we want to see a specific manga, we can go ahead and click on it, like Kimi o Omao Toki. It will go ahead and pull up the picture of the manga as well as the description. And if we want to go ahead and view it, we can click on Chapter 1, for example, to view, and we can view. If we single tap, we can go ahead and enter full screen mode and view it. If we double tap, we can go ahead and zoom in. We also have the ability to do gestures, to zoom in, zoom out, and go wherever we want. So single tap again to go back to full screen. From here, we can also bookmark it, so we can go ahead and add it to favorites. And we see that it is now a favorite on the main screen, and it is also now a favorite here. You also have the ability to search. This is titanium, and there are thousands of objects, so it's a little slow to get started. So we'll just go ahead and start that in Naruto. Let's go ahead and bookmark Naruto and go ahead and load it up here. As we can see, there are 682 chapters. We have chapter names as well as chapter titles. We'll go ahead and load up the latest chapter, which takes us back to page 1. And again, we can see all the information on there as we need, and it works out quite nicely. And so what if we wanted to delete an item from our favorites list? Well, we can actually add items from our favorites list and delete items from our favorites lists all within any of these views. So if I don't want Cory 2 on here, I can just go ahead and click it and off she goes. I can also remove it directly from this favorites list as well. We can go ahead and remove Naruto and she's gone. Secondly, I can pull it up on the details and I can remove it from here and she's gone. It makes it easy to be able to do what you want to do there. And so there you go. That in a nutshell is our lovely application to allow us to look at manga. And I like the way it works. I wish it was a little bit faster, especially on 3G, but it's titanium. It doesn't handle tens of thousands of rows very well, and it doesn't really do great for image view processing either here with a bunch of remote images. But I hope you guys like it. One of the harder challenges for me on this particular application was trying to get the information to talk from view to view to view, especially on these favorites. Whenever you remove a favorite or add a favorite here, it's easy. But if you remove it here, we have to talk back to the original table. If you remove it in the favorites list, we have to keep track of where we were on the original table and set it that way. So I had to learn how to use the table view row update tables. Other than that, I think it was a very challenging project and something I would gladly do again. All right, guys, you have a great week, and it was very fun. Take care. Bye-bye.